Polyphonic textures consist of two or more lines moving independently or in imitation with each other. We can listen to the Bach Invention number 5 in E flat major, which shows two lines in imitation. As we listened, the two lines were contrasting in their character. But in some of the inventions composed by Bach, for example, number 4 in D minor, the lines are similar to each other. In the piece named You Alone Perform Such Wonders by Josquin des Prez, we see that lines with similar rhythmic values and contour appear in a polyphonic composition. The other example is a fugue from the musical offering by Bach, which the lines with contrasting rhythmic values and contour.